Hey, okay, so on here really quick, I'm going to show you how to pull the comps for a listing whenever you're going to see a new listing. So the first thing, this is the property, the target property that we're going to look at. So the first thing you're going to do is go into search residential sale, and then we're going to pull coming soon and active just to see what is active right now, but we're really concerned with what has closed. So what we're going to be doing is I put closed on here. Now we need to do the subdivision, which for this property was Pheasant Run. Make sure that you find the correct one. And now we can just look and see, okay, there's 4 matches in there. So I know Pheasant Run pretty well, so we're just going to leave it at that. You're going to click on results down here and see what we come up with. So we have 4 properties that came up. So now what we're going to do then is we just look and see, what we can find, what the different properties are. This one's a 2-bed, 1-bath, 1,100 square foot, which is really comparable to Pheasant Run, the one that we're looking at. This one is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,800. It's much larger, so I'm not going to use that one. This is a 2-story home, 3-bed, 1.5 bath, so I'm not going to use that. This one here is a 2-bed, 1.5 bath, so I am going to use this one. So then what you do with these is, this is in the way. Okay. So this is in the way. I can't get this out of here, but so right here would be it says refine. You want to refine those. That'll take out the other 2. And then what you can do is you can use those for your comparable, like I'll just email mine. That way I have them. Put me in here. You can put in comparable, and then you can send it to yourself. You can print it, do whatever you need to do. Now, I'm back at the home screen. If you want to run a market report for that area, you come here to market stat report. I usually pull like a quarter at a time. So we'll do September to, and they don't have December yet. Search area. This is in Exeter. So I am going to do Exeter, run the report. And then this will give you your report for the township. Now, this isn't going to be 100% accurate for the area, but it gives you a good idea of what this is your days on market. This is what has pended. This is what the average sold price was, the average median price, inventory versus last year. So there's a lot of good information on here for you to use with your clients.